Chick here! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make vermicelli meatball soup. My dad made it a lot for me. It's one of my favorite dish. It's very colorful, spicy and delicious. Okay, let's begin. This is all we need. I have here sweet potato vermicelli, hot red chili pepper and garlic, spinach, fresh tomato, vinegar, mushroom, salt, onion, egg, wheat starch and potato starch, minced meat beef, Sichuan pepper, white pepper and ginger powder. Before I begin, I'm going to grind the Sichuan pepper. It's very important to know that some of the Sichuan peppers have black hard seed in them and you should remove the seeds. So there's only the husk left. Gently blow the pepper so it's completely clean. Now begin with grinding. For this recipe, I use minced meat, beef. Put the Sichuan pepper, ginger powder, white pepper, salt, wheat starch, and potato starch into the pan. Cut the onion very fine. Add them into the pan. Before I add the egg, I remove the white piece from the egg. Put the egg into the pan. And I mix all the ingredients very carefully with my hand, just as my dad did it. When it's well mixed, let it rest for about 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, put the boiled water into the pan. It's for the sweet potato vermicelli. Cut the vermicelli in smaller sections. Put them into the boiling water. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. When it's ready, put it in a strainer. Wash it with cold water. Let it rest. Put the oil into the pan. Don't heat the oil too hot, otherwise the meatballs will burn. You can check this by putting wood chopsticks into the oil. If you see small bubbles boiling, it's ready to use. Turn the heat down so the oil stays at this temperature. It's time to roll the meat into meatballs. Pick one walnut-sized piece of meat. Put it on your palm. Press it with your other hand. Enjoy rolling and make the meatballs as round as possible. Put it into the oil. Let it fry until it has a golden brown color. Finish the rest of the meat. In the meanwhile, prepare the boiling water for the soup. Cut them from the middle. Put them into the boiling water. Chop up the tomatoes very fine. Put them into the pan. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Tear the mushroom very thin with your hands. Add them into the pan. Mix it. Chop up the garlic very fine. Add it into the soup. Cut the tofu in squares, put it into the pan. Put in the salt. Mix all the ingredients very carefully. Tear the fresh spinach into your bowl. Thank you so much for watching this video. Vermicelli meatball soup is ready and I can't wait to eat it. If you like, you can put a little bit vinegar in it and you eat vermicelli meatball soup with chopsticks and a spoon. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel Dolanchik, and see you next time. Bye!